Hey guys, my name is Bruce Bieber. I was going around exploring this abandoned property when I came across this strange noise. Luckily, I had my tape recorder on me, so I quickly recorded it. So this is what I picked up. I like to believe that it was a mammal, strange, whatever it is that just, I don't know, walks around abandoned places, but I don't know what he does, but I just know that he exists, and I really don't know anything about him. So, yeah, so I like to believe that the sound came from the infamous Mammo Anderson. Alright, so here's what I got. Alright, please listen.